Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's tutorial I'll walk you through on how you can send money from Fanduel to Cash App, guys. So it's really easy and simple. So first things first, of course, what you need to do is you need to open up the Fanduel app or website and just log into your account. Make sure you have a balance that's actually available for withdrawal, right? And the next, you want to navigate to the withdraw funds section. Okay, this is usually found under your account settings or wallet. You want to select the amount you actually wish to withdraw. Okay, and then just choose a withdrawal method. So come here and click on withdraw funds, and then guys, basically, you're gonna be choosing your withdrawal method. So currently, FanDuel doesn't support direct transfers to Cash App. However, guys, there's a workaround. Okay, so this is what you do: you link your bank account or debit card to FanDuel, and then use it to move funds to Cash App. So first, we take the funds from FanDuel to the bank, then to Cash App. Or we can do a direct withdrawal to the Cash App debit card. Guys, remember there's a Cash App, cash card. So you can do that. So and then, guys, of course, you can just complete the process. You want to go ahead and follow the instructions, confirm the withdrawal, and you can check your Cash App balance, guys. And that is it. Your money should now be successfully transferred from FanDuel to Cash App, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications so I can see you guys in the next one.